Right now, as you read this, 30% of the heat your radiators are producing is going straight into your wall, not into your room, not into the air you are breathing, into the bricks behind the radiator, warming the outside of your house, heating the street, and you are paying for every single unit of that wasted energy on your monthly bill. There is a fix that costs £3. It takes 20 minutes to install. No tools required, no tradesperson needed, and it has been known to heating engineers and energy consultants in the United Kingdom for decades. This is why you have never heard of it. If you are new here, hit subscribe now. Every week, British Home Secrets reveals the knowledge they buried, built specifically for UK homes. Now let us get into this. Picture a radiator mounted on a cold external brick wall. The front face of that radiator is doing exactly what it should. Warm air rises from the surface. It circulates through the room. It heats the space you are sitting in. But the back face of that radiator is doing something else entirely. It is radiating heat directly backward into the wall, into 220 millimeters of solid brick. That heat travels through the brick. It reaches the outside surface, and it slowly warms the exterior of your house, the street outside your window, the cold winter air. You are paying to heat the outside of your own home every single time your boiler fires, and the fix has been sitting in a £3 roll of foil at your local B&Q for 50 years. To understand why this works, you need to understand something basic about how radiators actually heat a room. Despite the name, radiators do not primarily work by radiation. They work by convection. Air touches the hot surface of the radiator. That air warms up. It rises. It circulates through the room, and it slowly heats the space. This is the heat you want. This is the heat you are paying for. But radiators also emit radiant heat in all directions, including directly backward into the wall they are mounted on. In a modern cavity wall house with insulated walls, this backward radiation is partially absorbed by the insulation and partially lost. In a Victorian or Edwardian terraced house with solid brick walls, it is almost entirely lost. The heat radiates into 220 millimeters of solid brick and disappears into the outside air, every single time your heating is on. The Energy Saving Trust in the United Kingdom has measured this effect across thousands of homes. In a solid wall property, a radiator mounted on an external wall loses between 25 and 35% of its heat output directly into the wall behind it. In a cavity wall property without insulation, the figure is between 15 and 25%. Even in a fully insulated modern home, some backward radiation loss occurs. The average UK home has 7 radiators. 5 of those 7 are typically mounted on external walls. That means in an average solid wall terraced house in the north of England, between 1/4 and 1/3 of all heating expenditure is going directly into the wall behind the radiator and out into the street. At current energy prices, that represents between £200 and £400 per year in wasted heat, depending on usage. Gone. Into the bricks. Here is what you can do about it today for £3. A radiator reflector is a sheet of reflective foil material that fits behind a radiator between the back of the unit and the wall surface. The foil reflects the backward radiant heat back into the room instead of allowing it to be absorbed by the wall. The principle is identical to the foil lining inside a vacuum flask. You are not adding insulation. You are redirecting energy that was already being produced and was already being paid for. The effect is measurable. The Energy Saving Trust estimates that radiator reflectors on external wall radiators in a solid wall property reduce heat loss from those radiators by between 20 to 40%. Independent testing by the National Physical Laboratory found similar results. In practical terms, for an average northern terraced house with 5 external wall radiators, fitting reflectors to all 5 reduces annual heating costs by between £50 to £150 per year. Every year, for a one-off investment of £15 in materials, you can buy purpose-made radiator reflector foil from Screwfix, B&Q, or Amazon for between £2 to £4 per metre. A standard single radiator requires approximately 1 metre of foil. You do not need to remove the radiator to fit it. The foil slides behind the radiator against the wall. Some products have a self-adhesive backing that sticks directly to the wall surface behind the radiator. Others simply rest between the radiator and the wall, held in place by the brackets. The installation for one radiator takes between 5 to 15 minutes. You do not need a plumber. You do not need any tools beyond a pair of scissors, and the effect begins immediately the next time your heating comes on. String. First, identify which of your radiators are on external walls. An external wall is any wall that faces the outside of your property. In a typical northern terraced house, these are the front wall, the back wall, and the two end walls, if you are in an end terrace. Internal walls that divide your home from your neighbors on either side are already thermally buffered. And radiator reflection on these walls is less critical, although still beneficial. Focus first on the radiators on front and back, external walls. These are typically your living room radiator and your kitchen or dining room radiator. In most terraced houses, these are also the largest radiators and therefore the largest sources of wasted backward radiation. Second measure, the height and width of each radiator. You need enough reflective foil to cover the full area of the radiator back. Cut the foil to size using scissors. If your foil has a self-adhesive backing, peel and stick it directly to the wall surface in the space between the wall and the back of the radiator. If it does not have adhesive backing, simply slide it into the gap. It will stay in place through the pressure of the radiator brackets against the wall. Third, ensure the reflective side faces outward toward the back of the radiator. The foil works by reflecting radiant heat. The shiny surface must face the heat source. If you install it the wrong way around, it will still have some insulating effect, but will not reflect heat efficiently. Fourth, after fitting, turn your heating on and run it for a full cycle. Within 1 to 2 hours, you should notice that the room reaches its target temperature faster than before. The thermostat will cut the boiler off sooner. Your boiler runs for fewer minutes per heating cycle. Your gas consumption falls. The effect is most noticeable in rooms where the radiator is the only heat source on an external wall with no insulation. Fifth, repeat for every external wall radiator in the house. In a typical 3-bedroom northern terraced house, this is between 4 and 6 radiators. Total material cost between £12 and £18. Total installation time under 2 hours. Annual saving between £50 and £150 per year. There is one additional step that almost nobody takes and that multiplies the effect of the reflectors significantly. After fitting the reflectors, leave a small gap between the bottom of the radiator and the floor and ensure nothing is blocking the top of the radiator. Radiators work by convection. Cold air enters at the bottom, warms against the radiator surface, rises and circulates through the room. Furniture pushed against the sides of radiators, shelves mounted directly above them, or thick curtains hanging over them all interrupt this convection flow and reduce efficiency by between 10 and 30% independently of the wall loss issue. A radiator reflector plus clear convection paths around the radiator is the complete system. Both elements together give you the maximum possible heat output from every radiator in your home at zero additional energy cost. You now know that between 1/4 and 1/3 of your radiator heat is going into the wall behind the unit and out into the street.
You know that a £3 reflective foil sheet redirects that heat back into your room. You know that the Energy Saving Trust has recommended this measure for over 30 years, and that heating engineers are trained in its existence but are not required to mention it to you. And you know that fitting reflectors to 5 external wall radiators in a northern terraced house costs £15 in materials and can save between £50 and £150 per year. Share this video with anyone you know who is paying high heating bills in an older UK home. This fix is sitting in a £3 roll of foil at your local B&Q right now. This is British Home Secrets. We find the knowledge they buried and we give it back to the people who need it. Subscribe, because there is a lot more where this came from.